Dr. Rashid here at Leeds Private Hospital, the Hair Doctor Clinic. It's a great pleasure and honour for me to welcome Adil Rashid, the England cricketer, to our clinic. Adil Rashid is one of the most amazing England players at the moment. He's currently the T20 #1 cricketer in the world, and we're very excited that he's in the clinic today. I've been speaking to Adil over the last few months, and Adil came to see us because he is having some treatment to improve the density and the thickness of his hair. We are planning in the future to do a hair transplant procedure for him. That will be an FUE hair transplant. But at the moment, we're starting off with some non-surgical treatments, and that includes laser, which he's currently having. How are you feeling, Adil?
Yeah, I feel good. It's good to get something started on the laser with the light therapy, and hopefully as time goes on and when I get the time, we can do the full hair transplant.
Fantastic. So yeah, one of the things that we are cognizant of with Adil is that he's got a very busy schedule. So because he's such a sought-after cricketer, he's playing in multiple amazing franchises around the world, including South Africa, including the West Indies, etc. So we are conscious that we need to time this correctly. Of course, the franchises are one thing, but also he's got a very big and strong commitment to England cricket. So it's important that we time the surgery so that he's got ample opportunity to heal and then go out and play and give his best for England and the franchises that he's playing for.
Got it, I'll take it off your hands.